My name is Ian Roberts, ADEY Commercial MD. The most common problem we find is the quality of the water treatment. Poor water treatment will inevitably lead to system breakdowns and low efficiency. Your efficiency doesn't suddenly go. You're suddenly not going to see 100% inefficient. That's a gradual decline, which is almost a stealth. You're maybe not seeing that decline. What you're seeing is ultimately on a monthly basis, you will see your energy costs going up, the efficiency of the system coming down, but importantly, you're heading towards catastrophic breakdowns in the system. All of it is avoidable. We know that the energy usage of a building, when it's working properly, 50% of that energy usage, that cost is taken up by the HVAC system. We would expect to see a reduction of efficiency of the pump, or a complete breakdown, or a boiler, or a heat exchanger, and those are the most common things. To identify or to suggest there's any one individual problem that causes that would be very difficult to do. There's a multitude of things which could cause any one of those issues to happen. Our diagnostic water test kit will give an accurate diagnosis of what's wrong with the system. That diagnosis is then followed up with an interpretation which will allow the engineer to rectify the problem. Our postal test is the easiest thing to do. You take 2 samples, you post it, goes to Sittingbourne, 72 hours later, you log in, you get your full results, and more importantly, you get an interpretation. That belief is backed up by the scientific data that the test produces, and you can talk to any one of our team and they will hold your hand and take you down that journey completely from start to finish until you're happy with the system. What we want to do is get to the bottom of what the actual problem is, because it's not a one problem situation. There could be a multitude of problems contributing to the low efficiency in the system breakdown, and we can get to the bottom of that. It's cheaper to manage it than it is to repair it. The commercial sector is somewhat light on rules and compliance. However, we do follow guidance. Generally, it's BISRA guidance. The suggestion here being, or the guidance being, that we test, clean, protect and maintain. And if you follow those 4 very simplistic, they're common sense, aren't they? So that guidance is what we would advocate you follow, and if you do that, you're going to keep your efficiency as high as possible and your breakdowns to a minimum.